Sinuruwa ko, sabi niya, don't quit, God has a plan for your life. Naku, kung magulgul ako, balik ako sa Diyos. Nagsanda, hindi ko na tinapos yung ano. Sumulat ako sa city, sabi ko, di ba sa hearing, amin yung building na yan. Binigyan kami ng hearing, mga city council, ganyan, mayor, hindi pa namin member ng planning commission, puno, yung city council chair. Yung presidente ng Homeowners Association, kapaligid namin, kumontra, si Larry ko, ang pangalan. Sabi niya, ganito, I don't like the church in my neighborhood. Sabi niya, every Friday night, yung mga young people nila, they're outside, they're talking, who knows, maybe they're talking about drugs, right? Sabi ko, I'm the pastor, can I say something? Yeah, go ahead. Sabi ko, yeah, they're talking about something. They're not talking about drugs. They're talking about how Jesus saved their life. Membro ng planning commission, came, ang laki tao, tumayo. Sabi niya, I don't know about the people. I think we need another church in this town. Let's vote right now. 100% approve kami.
Wow.
So on record sa Delhi City, kami ang kauna-unahang na-approve ng ethnic church. That's on record. 6 months after that, Sunday morning, 10 o'clock, may kumatok sa office ko. Yung kumontra sa akin, na-stroke.
Wow.
Tumingin ng tawa. Sabi niya, Pastor, I'm accepting your church in my neighborhood. Tapos sumulat ng apology. Sabi niya, I would like to apologize. I'm not attending the service. Can you read this before the people? Yung binasa ko. Tapos, iyak ng mga tao. Sabi ko, you have your conclusion. I have mine. Nobody can stop what God is doing.
Amen.
Kung may building na kami, lumago yung church. Pero meron akong hinahanap eh. Ako hinahanap na hindi ko makita kasi July 2004 na naginip ako. Yung panaginip ko, babe, iba. Nasa AG ako na, nagsaserve ako executive president. Yung panaginip ko, nasa gitna ako ng palaisdaan. Yung tubig hanggang maywan. Tapos, libu-libu mga isdaan. Nagtatalo na, dami. Wow, dami nito ah. So in my dream, naghanap ako ng higher vantage point, nakakita ko ng bato. Tumayo ako sa ibabaw ng bato. Tapos, doon sa harap ko, from a distance, mayroong gumagalaw sa ilalim ng tubig. Papunta sa akin. Nung tumigil sa harap ko, lumutaw yung gumagalaw. Ahas.
Wow.
Nagsalita yung ahas, Francis. Sabi ko ahas, ang tinor, who do you think you are? Sabi ko sa'yo, ang tinor, who do you think you are? Sabi ko ahas.
Okay.
Tinuro ko yung ahas, sabi ko, you know you're defeated. Pumailalim yung ahas, lumangoy sa pinanggalingan na inayo ka. Sinare ko yan sa executive ng AG. Sabi ng AG, that's an unusual dream kasi yung fish is people. Pero yung ahas, you know who he is.